Hey, it's Clay, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol FTR. We will take a look at the daily time frame. Very rough day today. I realize I'm probably stating the obvious when I say that. Not only did the price gap down, but even after the gap down, the bears just continue to pound on it. And, back down it went. Price did get a little miniature bounce right there and got the lower shadow of the candle formed. But overall, as far as the general conclusion from the day is concerned, a lot of downwards bearish pressure. And that's where the main focus I want to look at here is where some potential areas of support are that the price could very well head down and visit. Whether or not they break through them, well, the charts are not a crystal ball. But like I said, I realize I'm not making any sort of revolutionary comments when I say that as of right now, there is quite a bit of downwards momentum. So if this downwards momentum does continue, the next level to keep an eye on is going to be down here at the $1.95 mark. And that is just coming from right here. And from a trading perspective, very, very interesting area. Last time I got down there, a nice bounce occurred. Now, don't get me wrong, though, and I really wish I could say trading was this easy. Just because the price has had a very nice bounce from there before does not mean that if the price goes down there, then for sure a bounce is going to happen. Now, would it be shocking to see a bounce? No, that would not be shocking, but myself nor anyone else can sit here and say that for sure a bounce would occur. So as always, risk management, risk analysis, that stuff is very important. But $2, $1.95, right around that general area is certainly a very interesting area and an area that a lot of people are watching. This is by no means a great discovery on my part, and I bring that up because when a lot of eyeballs are watching a certain area and wondering a similar thing, call it a self-fulfilling prophecy, call it whatever you want, it can produce some pretty interesting price dynamics. Now, if the price goes down there and does not hold, the next key level of support would be down there at the $1.80 mark, which is coming from back here in late January. And just out of curiosity, would that be... Yeah, so that's basically as low as it's been for maybe ever, but I'm not quite sure on that. But for what we're looking at here, that'll be all we really need. So again, $1.95-ish and then $1.80, couple of areas of support. In the event the price bounces, keep an eye on the purple line right there. That is the 50-day simple moving average. Right now valued at 252, but again, moving average, meaning that line is going to move as the days go on, and therefore that value will move and change. So you have to be a little bit more proactive as a trader there to kind of keep track of that. However, as of right now, top priority in my opinion is not breaking levels of resistance. Top priority is at least just trying to stabilize. So even if the price goes sideways, I would still consider that pretty bullish given how much downwards momentum existed after today. So we'll see what happens with it. Still a couple of days left this week. One of the biggest questions I get is, hey Clay, how do you find the stocks that you trade? So what I've done is put together a free resource guide where I talk about the tools that I use to locate stocks that I find interesting and think may have potential. So if that sounds like something that could add value to you as a trader, then click on the image that is up on the screen right now and I will email you the guide. The guide itself is very short and to the point, and best part, it's completely free. Thanks for watching the video. Let me know if you have any questions.